Hello. If you have troubles with the Oppilas wireless shutter remote control in combination with the Panasonic Lumix FZ1000, if only the green light is shining but nothing else will do, then you have to change just one thing: the cable endings between the receiver and the camera. The angled cable ending doesn't work connected to the receiver. You have to change it. You have to put the simple cable ending into the receiver and the angled ending into the camera. And then you don't only have the green light on both, you hear it, yeah, and it will make a photo. This is a self-timer, just to show you that it really works with all the functions you have. Don't use the cable as pictured in the box that was sent to you. Here you see it the wrong way around. The angled ending connected to the receiver and the simple part connected to the camera. That doesn't work with the Panasonic Lumix FZ1000. Have a lot of fun with it. Goodbye.